So I'm going to show you just one way that Chirply can actually help you close more deals, make more money, grow your business, and more importantly, have more time to do the things that are important and valuable to you that you love to do instead of wasting time doing all the things that can be automated. So let's say, like any business or any entrepreneur, you probably have some type of website or funnel where you're collecting leads or you're giving people information about your products and services. Maybe you have an amazing lead magnet like me where you're giving away, $300 a month worth of free software to people to collect leads. So let's say you have something like that, and I'm just going to actually pretend here real quick to be someone who stumbled across the most valuable lead magnet on the internet, and they're actually interested in getting more information. So they're scrolling around, and what are they going to do? They're going to go ahead and fill out their information, their name, email, and phone number, and they're going to go ahead and opt in to get some more information, all right? Now, I want you to see what's actually happening here. As soon as they actually opt in, I want you to see, okay, hey, what's actually happening here as soon as your lead opts in to get this information. Look, they're getting a phone call. Let's listen to it.
Hello, this is John Vaughn, the founder of Tier 5, and you actually just opted in to get a free Genius Pages and Chirply account. If you'd like to go ahead and finish your account set up right now, go ahead and press 1 and we'll get your account set up automatically. If you're no longer interested and you'd like to unsubscribe from any further communications, just go ahead and press 2.
So let's press 1.
All right, great. Well, I did go ahead and get your free software set up. I sent you an email and a text message with your login information. But before you go, I do have an amazing offer that is literally only available right here, right now, while you're on this phone call. It will never be presented to you again. So if you do want to hear this amazing offer, you can go ahead and press 1, and I'll tell you all about it. It's no strings attached. If you don't want to hear the offer, you can go ahead and press 2 and just go check out your free software.
Let's press 1.
All right, awesome. You want to hear the best offer on the internet? I am standing by waiting to answer all your questions. I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit of the offer. The offer is literally the Tier 5 Partner Program. In our Partner Program, we go ahead and upgrade your accounts to the unlimited level, so the complete unlimited level, and we also give you agency accounts and allow you to basically resell our software and keep 100% of the revenue. You can do something just like I did, which is give software away for free to get a lead like I just did you for about $3 by giving away free software, and then you can sell them on your other products and services. So the Tier 5 partnership literally gives you unlimited accounts on all 10 of our software and also gives you agency accounts that you can actually, dish out to your clients. You sell them for whatever price you want. You keep 100% of the revenue. All right. So this is an offer that does start at $297 a month. I am able to give you a discount if you want to talk to me right now on the phone. So if you want to actually get more information about this partner program, see if it's right for you, and actually talk to me live on the phone right now, go ahead and press 1. No pressure, no obligations. I'll answer any questions that you have, and then if it seems like a good program for you, we'll go ahead and get you signed up. Go ahead and press 1 if you want to talk to me right now. Press 2 if you're no longer interested.
So let's press 1.
All right, great. Well, I'm actually super excited, so if you give me just one moment, I'm going to be calling myself. I'll pick up the phone, and then we'll go over everything. So give me just 1 second, and we'll get connected, okay?
So now I'm getting a phone call myself. Here comes my phone call.
This is a lead that just came in on the Chirply and Genius Pages free software, IVR. They got their software set up, and now they actually want to get the best deal from you. So you're going to sell them the Tier 5 Partner Program for $97 a month.
Their name is John.
All right, so now I'm actually connected on a live sales call with the lead that just opted in just a few minutes ago. So let's kind of recap, and let me show you exactly what's happening behind the hood here, all right, in case you couldn't follow it. So we have this lead magnet. It's a high-value lead magnet. This is one of my lead magnets where I'm giving away some amazing software that people usually pay me over $300 a month for. I'm giving away for free as a lead magnet, all right? So I'm driving traffic here, either through paid ads or through organic marketing. I'll teach you how to do both in my free training course. So I'm driving traffic there. The lead actually opts in, and once they opt in, as you saw, immediately once they actually opt in, they're coming into this process right here, okay? So actually what's happening behind the scenes is as soon as the actual lead opts in, they're put onto this follow-up campaign. So this follow-up campaign is automatically following up with this lead and communicating with this lead. So literally within seconds, as you saw, within seconds of them opting in and requesting more information and getting the lead magnet, they instantly get this phone call right here. Now, this phone call right here is what's called an IVR. It's a decision tree. You can use it for all sorts of stuff, and one of the things that I use it for is to pre-qualify my leads and to save me a massive amount of time so that I'm only actually speaking to people who are really, really interested in the product or service that I have to offer, okay? So as you saw just a second ago, as soon as I actually opted in, I got a phone call, and when I answered it, I heard this.
Hello, this is John Vaughn, the founder of Tier 5, and you actually just...
Okay, so I heard this, and it gave me the option of either pressing 1 to actually get my software account set up, or pressing 2 because I wasn't actually interested, all right? So what I want you to understand that's happening behind the scenes is this has all happened on autopilot. Now, if I hang up the phone and I don't do anything, or let's say I didn't even answer, well, guess what's happening? I'm in this campaign. I'm getting a phone call, I'm getting a text message, I'm getting another text message, I'm getting a phone call, another phone call, another phone call, and all this has happened within 1 minute. So if I don't answer the first phone call, then I'm getting a text message, another text message, I'm getting another phone call, I'm getting another phone call, I'm getting another phone call, another text message, another phone call, another phone call. I'm continuously following up with this lead, trying to connect with them because they just opted in. They are a fresh lead. They are a brand new lead. So for me, this is a very aggressive initial contact campaign, and that's what it's actually called, because at this stage in the process, I have never made contact with the actual lead. So we haven't made contact, they gave me their information, but I haven't spoken to them, they haven't answered the phone and done anything, or they haven't responded to my text message. Now, if they do answer the phone and they press either option 1 or 2, they're removed from that campaign automatically. If they reply to one of my text messages that I'm sending them in the campaign, I'm sending them these text messages, if they reply to any of those text messages, they're automatically removed from this campaign because I've made that initial contact with them. So until I make that initial contact with them, I personally am aggressively following up with them. Now, I'm doing that myself personally, aggressively following up with them because I'm giving them something that people are paying me $300 a month for, so I know I'm giving them something very, very valuable, so I want to actually get in touch with those people, all right? So now if they press either option 1 or 2, they're instantly removed from that campaign, and they're no longer on that campaign. Now, if they press option 1, what happens? I'm delivering them their lead magnet, so I'm only delivering the lead magnet to people who have a valid phone number for me to contact, okay? Some people, what they're doing is they're putting their lead magnet behind an opt-in form, and you're doing no validation to make sure that your leads are actually giving you valid phone numbers or valid emails. As soon as they opt in, boom, on the next page you give them the lead magnet. I'm not doing that. I'm only delivering the lead magnet once they pick up my phone call and they press option 1 to receive the lead magnet. Now at this point, I know that I actually have a valid lead that I can communicate with and I can market to in the future because they had to get my phone call, answer the phone call, and then press 1 to receive the actual lead magnet. Now, once they press 1 to actually receive the lead magnet, I send it to them via email and I let them know I've sent it to you via email so that I'm also validating and making sure that they also gave me a valid email address where I can email them in the future as well and market my products and services to. Now at this stage, I've already delivered them a lead magnet that's worth $300 a month. So I let them know I also have an offer for them, a very unique offer that's only available right here, right now on this phone call, and they can either press 1 to hear that offer, or they can press 2 and just go, not hear any offer and just go enjoy the lead magnet and the free stuff that I gave them. Okay, so if they, as soon as they press 1 here, I also want to mention that as soon as they press 1, I move them to another campaign because I did deliver them the lead magnet. I'm giving them some software for free. So now I have them on another campaign where I'm sending them emails and I'm sending them text messages and I'm educating them how to set up the software, how to use the software, how to leverage the software to save time and to make money so that they're getting even more value from me and they're more likely to actually buy something from me in the future. All right, so if they decide they want to hear my offer, now if they don't want to hear my offer, that's fine. They press 2, they go over here, we're done. But if they decide they want to hear my offer, they press 1 and they're over here now actually listening to my offer. And if they like my offer, I give them the option where they can press 1 and speak to me right now, or if they're not interested in my offer, they can press 2, and again, they can just go enjoy their free stuff. So if they press 1, what happens, as you saw, I get an incoming phone call, me. And when I pick up the phone, I already know because I can tell, okay, hey, this is a lead coming from this lead magnet right here. I get a message letting me know, hey, here's a lead coming from this lead magnet. They're in the initial stage where they just opted in a minute ago. Here's their name, and we're connected on a live sales call. Now, the lead that I'm speaking to, they've opted in, and they've actually been on the phone with me hearing my voice. They've been in this process for 3 minutes now. So they've already been on the phone listening, pressing 1, pressing 1, pressing 1, continuing on this pre-qualification decision tree before I ever spend any time. At this whole point right here, while they're going through this process, I could be outside petting my dog. I could be pooping. I could be, watching a movie with my wife. I could be doing whatever, and I'm not interrupted. The only time that it starts to require my time when I'm interrupted is the lead's all the way down here. He's pressed 1 3 times. He's listened to me on the phone for 3 minutes. He's a very high intent driven lead, and he's clearly very interested in what I have to offer. So the odds of me signing this person up and getting him to actually buy my offer now has greatly increased. And again, it didn't take me any time. I didn't have to, manually go in and follow up with this lead. I didn't have to talk to any of the people who weren't interested, and they just wanted my free stuff. And this is just one of the ways that Chirply can help you grow your business. It can help you make more money, close more sales, and more importantly, get back your most valuable asset that you have, which is your time, and stop wasting your time.